worked 20 years for Federal Signal. I moved from Detroit. And in Detroit, we had a place called APD, which was Federal Signal. So I moved here and tried for another job, which I worked at light bars. So I know a cop got one of my lights. So I did that for a while, and then they had an open for over here in DC. So I like to do different things. I like working stuff, putting stuff together. Just building something that, oh, I did that, and it's gonna be out there, with the, the police gonna use it, or, helping the weather system. So just something that I had I put it together, and I did that. I'm willing to help out whatever, I can in any area. So I'm normally like a floater, what I'm saying? I do different things. But like I said, when we don't have that much work over there, he brings me over here to the informer, which is something that's new. And I'm like learning the process and stuff. And then I'm like, oh, I like this. It makes me feel like I'm helping out. I'm saving people. When I put something together, I gotta make sure it's built right. So it's most important that we build something that is good, that is built right, and it works right, and it is helping the people in the community. How it's built can change everything. I'll build it with love.